With more and more electronic products and services on the market, electronic waste, or more commonly known as e-waste, is the fastest growing source of waste in the world. It consists of any old or unwanted electronic devices, and the United States produces more e-waste than the rest of the world. Now I bet you're thinking, what's the big deal? It's just some phones and charging cords. Well, today we're going to be looking into how bad e-waste really is for the environment, wildlife, and sadly, us. The first harm is toxic chemicals. Electronics are made of hundreds of harmful chemicals such as lead and mercury. If you didn't know, just a few drops of mercury are enough to kill you, so yeah, it's bad. When e-waste is sent to the landfills, these chemicals can leach into soil and nearby water sources, which can wreak havoc upon wildlife and eventually us. Now, the second problem with e-waste is it has a higher environmental impact and are very expensive to mine for, resulting in high carbon footprints for these valuable resources. For example, lithium batteries, which are probably found in what you're reading this on, are made from nickel and cobalt, which are both very rare and thus produce large amounts of carbon dioxide when mined for. Recycling these electronics helps reintroduce these materials and elements back into production. So, please recycle. Many tech companies will offer free recycling, and while some may charge you some money, look around online for the best option near you. There are also many nonprofits and recycling centers specifically dedicated to recycling used electronics, which you can also find online. But be on the lookout for shady electronics recycling facilities, because there are a lot. And always go with trusted and well-reputed organizations. But that's a story for another time. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and check out our other articles. Happy recycling.